Swarm intelligence, nature's collective problem-solving methodology. Swarm intelligence represents decentralized, self-organized systems inspired by nature's social insects. This concept was introduced by Gerardo Beni and Jing Wang, focusing on collective behaviors. Agents in swarm systems follow simple rules, leading to complex behaviors through local interactions. Feedback loops are crucial, allowing agents to adjust actions based on previous successes and failures. Swarm robotics apply these principles for exploration, mapping, and search and rescue operations. Algorithms like particle swarm optimization help find optimal solutions in logistics and routing. Artificial swarm intelligence enhances human decision-making in real-time systems like medical diagnostics. Ant colonies use pheromones for communication, showcasing efficient resource allocation in nature. Bees collectively decide on hive locations, demonstrating effective group decision-making in action. Future directions include integrating swarm intelligence with AI for improved adaptability and performance. Join us for more insights into fascinating AI concepts.